Hello little friends, welcome to Auro, English for Kids. Today, we're diving deep into the vast ocean to meet some amazing fish. Are you curious to learn what these fascinating sea creatures are called in English? Let's explore the colourful underwater world and discover how many fish are waiting for us to name them. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Do you know what fish this is? Shark. 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 What type of fish do you think this is? Whale. 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 Do you recognize this fish? Sperm whale. Sperm whale. Sperm whale. Can you tell what fish this is? Stingray. 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 Can you guess what kind of fish this is? Dolphin. 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 Do you know what fish this is? Angelfish. 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 What type of fish do you think this is? Clownfish. 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 Can you tell what fish this is? Herring. 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 Do you recognize this fish? Anchovy. 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 Can you tell what fish this is? Tuna. 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 Do you know what fish this is? Mackerel. 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 Can you guess what kind of fish this is? Salmon. 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 Our lesson for today comes to an end here. Or see you again in the next videos. Bye-bye.